Hello everyone, welcome back to Lord of the Coins. This video will be our weekly update for Bitcoin. In this video, we'll go over some of our recent trades from this channel and a higher time frame and lower time frame outlook for Bitcoin. Also, as a gift for the new year, I am giving away at least 5 free subscriptions into my private trading community for anyone who is subscribed, just as a thank you for supporting my channel. So leave a comment down below with the word Bitcoin, as it'll help me reach out to you about winning access into the group. So before we get on with our analysis for Bitcoin, I did want to cover a few trades and an idea of mine for a lot of altcoins. I do think this is a white chart, so I do apologize if it is a little bright. So yeah, we've won, I believe, 6 out of our 7 last Bitcoin trades. We just lost our recent one. Price action wanted to keep climbing, and I'll get into exactly why. But I do think price is going to come down relatively soon, as with my theory on some altcoins such as Solana. So I will come out with a video for Solana going into more depth on this sometime this week. But Solana is experiencing a market maker seller model, and this is just a way for smart money to reverse price. So I do think if we do see a little bit more up, which I do believe we will with Bitcoin, so I think Solana will also come up here to, maybe find a deviation off of the range high, the macro range high that we have, and possibly just sweeping out the liquidity on these relatively equal highs up here. That is just my very quick idea for Solana and a lot of other altcoins who are experiencing a similar price action here. So back to Bitcoin here. We'll just go over real quick the main key levels I'm looking for. So in terms of the main key levels, here is the ones that I do think that we need to hold in terms of staying bullish. So I'm actually going to do the 4 hour here. So in terms of the 4 hour, the main key level they have to look for is this low right here. If this gets broken with a 4 hour candle close, we would have broken market structure here, and then we probably find some sort of reversal back up, some sort of relief, and probably a rejection off the previous month value area high. And I can see us falling down to the previous month value area low before seeing some sort of reversal. This will also be a better place to take a long trade, as we will be in the discount zone of our macro range. And that is just kind of more of a shorter time frame outlook. We can definitely see a lot of these lows get taken out and see a reversal in this lower area of the range, or see even a larger dump here. Those are all definitely possibilities, and we'll just need to observe price action to see exactly what price wants to do. But for now, I do think we are on a grind up, and this is because of the CPI meeting and the CPI, or not the meeting, the CPI release on Thursday. So I do think, people are a little bullish on the news, so I do think this is a buy the news and sell the rumor event. And I do think the main key level right now to look out for Bitcoin is this POC of this previous range. On top of that, this order block, these weak highs that we've been talking about for a few weeks here, and this Fibonacci golden pocket. A very good area for reversal for smart money here, and I do think finding some sort of short in this area would be a pretty high confluential trade, and that is exactly what I would be looking to do. If price does decide to not dump and wants to go up, then these levels that we've been talking about for a few months on this channel are still valid. There's a lot of confluence in this area. We have a daily breaker, the range, previous range POC. We also have our previous month VWAP standard deviation bands and the previous week VWAP standard deviation bands. I released that the previous week is not really accurate for this week. I believe I did that, or I made all these levels when price action was like somewhere around here. So, but regardless, there are still areas of high volume. So this is a good area for price to find some sort of rejection. And if we do see movement up, we do have breakers up here and a massive order block that we could tap into in this area. So anything in this area really, I can probably see some sort of distribution before a move down. I don't think we'll break this high anytime soon. This is probably when the Fed wants to pivot. We can see some sort of reversal and a break of this high. But for now, I do think we'll see lower prices, or just continued ranging in this range right here that we've set between around 18K and 15.5K. So just to recap, let me go down to a lower time frame here. Just to recap, this is still the main level, or the main area I'm looking at. And as price action develops, I'll make sure to update you guys. It's definitely easier to update via Discord than a YouTube video, but I will try my best to get this information out to you guys. So yeah, I would be looking for a short in this area, but if price action looks really strong after Thursday in this area, then definitely looking for longs is a good way to go. I wouldn't just look for a long in this area, but probably some sort of retrace before long. Probably ideally right now, I think it will be this previous month value area high, but we will just have to see how price action develops. If you guys enjoy this type of video or this type of content, please make sure to leave me a like and subscribe, and just tell me what you guys liked about it. I'll try to focus more on that. And yeah, if you guys have any other altcoins or stocks or currency pairs that you guys want me to look at, please let me know and I can get to those as well. Thank you guys again for your support, and I'll see you guys next time.